You people, say hello, Mum.
Hello, Mum.
Yeah, we're at my school, and it's bonfire night here at the school. And hang on. Oh. And there's going to be a firework display, fireworks, bonfire, and a lot of messing around, hot dogs, drinks, everything, all sorts. So yeah, I'm going to vlog it because, yeah, and there's going to be a video up soon of me scaring people with my killer clown mask, always, #win-win. But yeah, I'll speak to you guys when we're in, basically. Peace. Oh wait, I need to put my glow stick there. Fuck! You guys, we're just, Josh, come here, we're vlogging. We're just,
Hi, you can't see me, hi.
We're just in, hang on, let me get my
Shit, they're coming.
Glow stick. Right, we're just in the school field.
Primary school field.
Primary school. Oh, shush!
Oh,
and
oh shit. Yeah, do you want to run down to that gate and back?
Fuck that.
Yeah.
Didn't mean to swear, I'm so sorry.
Yes.
But we're going just over that gate. We've just been over. Oh, flip.
Oh shit.
No, it's fine. Don't swear, naughty boy, please.
I'm sorry. Cover your ears, children. I know who that is in that beamer.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. We're just stood back
at the Cares building.
Yeah, we're just stood back by the Cares building. Come on.
Run.
And we're just going back into our. Quick, go! What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. We're here. The bonfire's like over there.
Oh my god.
Fudge. Teachers there, but yeah, we've just been over in the fields. It's fun, but yeah, it's going to be fun through the night. There's going to be.
Oh god, you are.
Say hello.
Hi.
Say hello. Sup. Say hello.
Welcome, lad.
And we're just. It's going to be awesome. There's firework display, a massive bonfire, huge, and we'll go loads of times in the school field. We'll go loads in the school field, and yeah, so stay tuned for that. Please. Right. This fire is going down, look. Man, look at that. It's huge. It is huge.
Oh, really? I don't live at the school. That'd be the worst thing.
Literally.
Well, there's electric fence then.
In real life, this is crazy, right?
It's massive.
It is massive.
I'm sorry if anyone heard.
Oh my god.
I've got like nothing left.
Because it's for YouTube.
I should have bought my slingshot. Dip pumps in petrol. Fling them. Would make no difference. No, there'd be like petrol flying bits of fire flying that way. Flying fire. No, because get it through the top. Oh.
Man, that's the bonfire going down.
Oh, done. Bonfire. Yeah, you should do a montage, like with the fire thing.
Yeah.
Out your phone.
I'm not smart enough for that stuff,
just
man.
look like a devil, like the two
Yeah.
did. I'd love to sit on the top.
Whoa, mate! This is so hot.
Why aren't you on your house? No! Okay, good money. I built it myself.
Oh, something fell!
Yeah, I just want all that top bit to fall off.
Yeah.
Like biting grass otherwise.
Oh yeah, that's massive. Literature. It's technically outside the school.
Oh man, yeah, so this is going down. Wait
going
for the
down for
fireworks
real.
in it bit. And we'll probably go into the big fields and get a snipe of the bonfire in the big
where's
field.
Josh? Do a
imagine that was a fake
YouTube
fire?
video,
So
Josh.
yeah, man, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Well gone, lad.
Awesome people, look, this is the bonfire from all the way over here. Shout
we
out
snuck
to Danny. What's your name again?
Oh,
Crazy.
I don't have a YouTube channel, so just call me Danny for
Oh
now.
yeah, Danny. Shout out to
Shout
Danny.
out to me on
Shout out to
Snapchat.
Josh. Right, we need to get back because people are gonna call on us. But
Right, we got to peg it by.
right,
Yeah.
we've got that fire over there. Wait.
Well done,
So I'll see you in the next clip, boys. Fireworks. This is the fireworks.
Guys, should we go closer?
With that baby. Oh, he's loving it to death, she said. He's loving it to death.
This will be on YouTube.
On the street.
Yeah, massive.
Put it on Instagram as well. I'm putting that.
Oh man. There's a lot of fireworks.
No, that's what we need next up. Yeah, yeah. You could do it for us. Yep. What we need to do then and take a photo. And have these books. Yes, yes. And the retreat, it only wants 2 pots. It's still a 1 for us, 1 for them, 1 to stay in the book. And then sometimes if you get pots on the side of the road, you get a coffee to give back. You know what I mean?
Bang. Oh.
When they come in here, I don't know, I use it, so
Kind of.
Yeah.
Bang, 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 bang. Look at me now. What was that?
I'll write a strongly worded email. That'll sort that out for next year, don't we, boys?
I'll tell him. No, don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Tell them a bit of cradle of filth or something like that.
I am a vegan. Oh, I think that's it. Oh
You
my
sure?
God.
I just want to say it's good for the
I like what? A bit, man. Boiling. Josh, you're it after.
Yeah, right.
You say that's going to end the video, but stay tuned for next year's Bonfire night, because hopefully next year we'll be going to a big display. So stay tuned and say goodbye.
Bye.
And peace.